System, unfortunately, for healthcare is a reactive system. I know friends and family who have suffered in this endless loop of reactive system, waiting until something's terribly wrong and then they try to fix you, and maybe by chance they are able to fix you, and in some cases it's already too late for that individual. Wouldn't it be nice if we had a proactive system? Wouldn't it be nice if we saw our doctor and they said, hey, listen, in 5 years from now, maybe 10 years from now, this is gonna happen if you don't change this. This is what you need to do. So, I believe that if we keep giving back and we have other people that help give back, that we can change this system in 5 to 10 years, maybe 20 years, but we are working positive together. We started a free community chat in January that we have over 1,300 people in right now. Why we did this is because we believe in giving back to people. So in this, there's Q&A with turnfit, sometimes naturopathic doctors, chiropractics, physios, whoever we need to get you the results that you deserve, we're gonna help include it in this group. I wanna share this with you, and I want you to add your friends. I want you to join. Why? Because your health is your greatest wealth. Your body bank is the best investment that you can do. Everybody's thinking short term, 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year. But I'm telling you that if you had money and you invested in it and the dividends were paying off, would they be that great in 3 months, 6 months, or a year? Or would they be amazing in 30 years? That's what I'm asking you to propose the question. So ask your friends, family to join this chat, because I guarantee that the results that you get in this body bank is gonna be amazing in 30 years from now.